Howdy and welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to make a video cutting for some forsythia. So see if we can root some cuttings. So let's get started. Now this right here, this is forsythia Linwood Gold. Today we're going to take some cuttings off of it and see if we can get some the root. Let's take a couple cuttings here. Well, I'm just going to try to take the tips off these instead of getting too many. I'm holding the camera, so I'm trying to do two things at one time. Just take these top edges off. Okay, let's get a couple more up here. I'm just going to take the tops off. Okay, we'll work with just that right now. Now that we're inside, we're going to take these cuttings we have right here, put them inside this can just to keep them watered. We'll take these cuttings and we're going to root these things. I'm going to try rooting these. Now this is I think May the 24th. Still maybe a little bit early to start rooting these cuttings. It's usually in the early part of June, so maybe it'll work right now, maybe it won't, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot now. I'm going to try to get these things rooted in. See if we can make some more of them. So we're just going to take them and put some rooting harm on them. We trim the bottom off these things. We're just going to put them in there. See if we can't get a bunch of these to root. Now I cut these only about 3 or 4 inches long. You cut them off with the node, just a node there. Maybe they'll be fine. Don't want to leave them really too long, too far, or too long in length, I should say. Now I'm not going to show all this in this video because you don't really need it. Okay. Now we got those finished. I got another tray or two of them another tray over here. We got another tray. So got 2 trays of them. These should root in about 6 to 8 weeks. Maybe this time of year to start taking the cuttings for them. Well, it's a few days, maybe a week early, but early part of June, perfect time to be rooting forsythia and other rooting cuttings. So hopefully it'll take. Okay, it's been 6 weeks since I did took the cuttings of this forsythia Linwood Gold. And you can see, if you can see inside here, you can see they've rooted already inside here, inside this, through this plastic. So now we're gonna take these things out, see what they look like, see how good they look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they worked out just right. Turned out perfect. Look at the roots on these things. So I started these back in the first week of June, the cuttings. So it took approximately, what was 6 or 8 weeks to, I think it was about 8 weeks to root them this well. So they started rooting a couple of weeks ago. They were stuck in pretty good about 2 weeks ago. So it took about 8 weeks, I guess, to get these rooted in good. So now we're just gonna pot these up. Well, this one didn't work. This one didn't take. See, this one didn't work. We'll put it back. Maybe it will. It looks like it's pretty healthy. But it may not take since I already took it back out again. So maybe it will, maybe it won't. Only those two, so far we'll pot these up and just. Now I usually pot them up in little styrofoam cups like this, like I do all my peppers too when I start them. I do the seedlings, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these in here right now, let them grow out a little bit more, and if I figure out where I'm going to transfer them in the ground or not, somewhere in a pot, and let them grow. And I'll just feed them some organic fertilizer, liquid fertilizer. Well, change my mind on that. Guess I'll try this. I'll use my dry amendment fertilizer I have. Thing ain't going in there good. Ain't wanting to cooperate. Alright. Now, we just put some dry amendment fertilizer on these. Let it go at that. Now these things ought to grow pretty decent. Well, maybe we'll be transferring these in a month or so. They'll be pretty good size, hopefully. Well, I guess that's it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.